right, this is another one of those outdoor edge dual blade knives, and it's got the gut hook on it. And one of the problems with it is, you can see somebody trying to sharpen it right there, is it hits this little, the thumb release hits. So you can actually remove that thumb release. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to see if I can straighten that blade up a little nicer. Make it look a little bit better for the client. So let's don't lose the parts there. So you can see I took it off. And now we're going to go to the work sharp, and I'm going to clean that up, make that look a lot better for the customer, and make it sharp all the way down the blade. So I'm going to move the camera now, and we'll do the grind. All right, we got the work sharp out, and we're going to start with a 120. I like the work sharp for these curved blades, gut hook blades like this, because I like the slack sharpening, unlike my AMK that uses a platen. So here we go. They're making that look a little bit better right there. Let's turn the see how much better that looks? A little bit more. Much better. See that? That looks a lot better than it did. Let's get some light on it here. So it'll be sharp, but I want it to look aesthetically pleasing also for the client. So I started with a 120. This is a 200. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the burr's coming right up. And you probably saw one of my shorts on another one of these outdoor edge knives. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. It does help our little business down here in Texas grow. And that is just incredibly sharp at this point. I'm doing about a 15-degree bevel on each side. So now we're going to strop it real good. Little compound. Now we're just going to work it. Polish it up really nice. me get some alcohol here and a towel. Let's clean this up a little bit. And that looks real good. I don't know if you can see that real well, but it is a razor edge. Woo! And it is shaving the hair off my hand. So anyway, that is ready to go back to the client. And you can see this is a double-edged knife, where the other one, outdoor edge, you flipped it from one side to another. This is a dual blade pocket knife, or folding knife anyway. So you can fold it up like that, I think. Let's see, how do you close that one? I don't know how to close it. Anyway, that one is done and is ready to go back to the client. The Work Sharp works really well for hunting knives, small knives, compact, can carry it anywhere. I've got it running off of a little Blue Eddy EB3. This is my portable knife setup. It's a lot lighter than my AMK 75 that's over here on the bench. And so we take this up to the country hunting and can sharpen on the go. Whoa! Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Oh, we got to put it back together, don't we? So let's do that. So let's see. This goes on there like that. So the little thumb knob is back on there. I could figure out how to close this knife. Would be nice. There it is. Okay. All right. So there we go. There's the outdoor edge knife for the client. I sharpened this blade on the AMK 75, and then I sharpened the gut hook blade on the Work Sharp. So this is called a Flip and Blaze by Outdoor Edge. And so they have another knife. Here's the other Outdoor Edge knife. And it's like it's called the Swing Blaze. And you can see on this one, you just flip the knife over like that. And so you can put it in the sheath either way you want. So he's got both these. He's a big time hunter. So there you go, folks. Have a great one.